Hello everybody, welcome to Mathskpreet. In this video, I am taking question number 6th and 7th of exercise 8.1. Chapter name is Quadrilaterals from grade 9 and book is NCERT. I have given you the solutions with full explanation for the first 5 questions. Let's see question number 6. It is saying that if this is the given parallelogram, this figure is given to us and this is a parallelogram with diagonal BD and this AP and CQ are two perpendiculars that are falling on diagonal BD. So the first part we have to show that triangle APB is congruent to CQD. So let me draw these triangles that I have to show congruent to each other. This is A, P, B. This is 90-degree angle and second triangle is what? CQD. So this is C, this is Q, this is D. This is 90-degree angle. Here we have. So to show that these two triangles are congruent, let's see which parts are congruent of this triangle. So clearly, as this is a parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So AB is equals to CD. We can write AB is equals to CD. Why? Because ABCD is a parallelogram. AB and CD are opposite sides. Next is what? This angle and this angle both are of 90 degrees. So I can write angle APB is equals to CQD. APB is equals to CQD is equals to 90 degree each. That is given. What else for the third condition? Third condition, no, these two sides are not equal. So what else we have in this triangle? I have this angle B and in this triangle I have this angle D. Both the angles are equal. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. BD is acting as a transversal. So this is a pair of alternate interior angles. So I can write angle PBA. PB pair of alternate interior angles. So this is a side, this is an angle, this is the second angle. So I have proved that these two angles equal, these two angles equal, and this side which is not included, side is not included, two angles and a side. So by angle side rule of congruence, I have proved that triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. APB is congruent to CQD. So first part is proved here. In the second part, it is asking us to show that AP is equals to CQ. AP is equals to CQ. So we have done so many questions. We all know that by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can write that this side is equals to this side. So I am leaving for you all. You can write it easily by CPCT. Second part, by CPCT, we are having this result and this is proved now. So this was the solution for question number 6th. Very easy. Let's see question number 7th. So in the 7th question, a very important question, it is at least of 3 to 5 marks. This figure is given to us. This is a trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral where one pair of opposite sides is parallel and the second pair is non-parallel. So here clearly we can see that AB is parallel to CD but AC is not parallel to BD. So a hint is given in the question that we will extend this line or side AB, and from point C, we will draw a line that will meet this extended line at point A. This hint is given along with the question. In part 1, we have to show that this angle is equals to this angle, and in part 2, we have to show that this C angle is equals to angle D. So to make it easy, let's name these angles as angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. AD is parallel to EC. We will write as AD is parallel to CE through construction. So when these two sides are parallel or these two lines are parallel, this is a transversal, then sum of co-interior angles, this angle and this angle will be of 180 degree. How? If these are two parallel lines, this is a transversal, then sum of these two angles and these two angles, these are co-interior angles. Fine, this is a pair, this second pair, so sum of pair of co-interior angles is always 180 degree. So I can write therefore angle, as this is parallel to this, angle 1 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. How? Sum of co-interior angles. Next is what? Clearly we can see that this 2 plus 5 is 180. How? This is making a linear angle. So I can write angle also, angle 2 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. How? Linear pair of angles. Reason is linear pair of angles. So mark it number 1 and number 2. So when the right hand side of number 1 and number 2 is equal, we can compare the left hand sides as well. So we can put them equal, as AD is equals to BC. This is given to us. Further, we have drawn this is a parallelogram, as we have drawn AD is parallel to CE. So this is forming a parallelogram. These are two opposite sides of parallelogram. So we know the result that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So I can put this AD is equals to CE. So I can write also AD is equals to CE. Opposite sides of parallelogram, name the parallelogram AE CD. So from here AD is equals to BC, AD is equals to CE. So I can compare, or I can make these two sides equal. Therefore BC is equals to CE. Now I have BC is equals to CE. This is a triangle, and where two sides are equal, this side is equals to this side is equals to this. Therefore these two sides are equal now. Therefore this is making an isosceles triangle, and the angles opposite to the equal sides of the isosceles triangle are also equal. Fine, so I can write therefore angle 5 is equals to angle 6 from here, because just write the reason as triangle CBE is an isosceles triangle. Fine, this is the reason. Now we have angle 5 is equals to angle 6, and I am here again at number 3. So I am writing from number 3 what I have, as 5 is equals to 6, so I can cancel these out. I am left with angle 1 is equals to angle 2, as angle 5 is equals to angle 6. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2 means we have proved that angle A is equals to angle B. This was the first part, as AB is parallel to CD. Therefore what I have, angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles. Also what I have from here, with same reasons, angle 2 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Write the same reason. Fine. Now we have proved that angle 1 is equals to angle 2 in number 1. As right hand side is equal, first I will compare the left hand sides of both the equations. Therefore for number 5, from 4 and 5, right side is equal, we can compare the left hand side. As 1 is equals to 2 in part 1, therefore angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Write the reason as angle 1 is equals to angle 2, proved in part 1. So angle 3 is equals to angle 4 means we have proved angle D is equals to angle C, hence proved. Let me draw this figure again. This was the trapezium ABCD. It is saying that triangle ABC, this triangle. So let me draw this triangle A, B and C. This I have to prove congruent to BAD. For this I have to join this BAD, this diagonal BAD will be here. Okay, join BD here. Fine. These are the two triangles that I have to prove congruent. So clearly AB is equals to BA in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. This is what common side. Fine. This is equals to this. What else? In this triangle and in this triangle. Okay, in this triangle, this angle and this angle we have proved in number 1 that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So this in this triangle ABC, this is angle 2. This will be equals to in this triangle ABD, yeah, or BDA. This angle. So this angle is equals to this angle. Angle B was angle 2. So I will write angle B is equals to angle A. Write the full names. ABC. ABC will be equals to BAD. BAD. Proved in number 1. Fine. What else we can show? BC and AD. BC and AD. This is given to us in the question. BC is equals to AD. This is given to us in the question. So we have proved this is equals to this angle is equals to this side is equals to this side. So this is what side angle side. Therefore by side angle and side. By side angle side rule, we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. ABC is congruent to BAD. Proved. Let's see part number 4. It is asking us that to show that AC is equals to BD. AC is equals to BD. So when these two triangles are congruent, therefore by CPCT from part number 3, I can directly write the third side is also equal. So diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. So these were the proofs for the rest of the 2 parts. So this was question number 7, very important. Once again I am saying very important question, and share it with your friends and mates, and thank you for watching.